Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the user code on your Schlage electronic door lock. So whether you are updating your security or replacing an old code or giving access to the new user, the process is very simple once you know the correct steps. So first of all, you need to basically start the process of adding the user. So in order to add the user, you just have to simply provide your programming code. So you need to enter your 6-digit programming code over here. After entering it, you need to simply press the Schlage button. After pressing the Schlage button on the keypad, you need to simply press 1. Then you need to press the Schlage button again. Afterwards, you need to start entering the new user code. Now, most of the Schlage Lock supports the user codes that is 4-digit long, although some of the models allow longer codes as well. So you need to do the same, like you need to re-enter the new user code and then press the Schlage button again. If it is successful, you are going to see the green check mark, or you are also going to hear a confirmation beep depending on your lock's model. Now, once you have done that, you need to delete the old user code as well. So if you want to delete that, again, you need to go through the same process in which you just have to first of all enter your programming code. Afterwards, you need to press the Schlage button. But this time, instead of pressing 1, you need to simply press 2. Then you need to press the Schlage button. After that, you need to enter the old user code that you want to remove. Then re-enter the same code in order to confirm the deletion. So again, the lock will confirm that the code has been removed by showing you the green light on the keyboard. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.